Hi, my name is Erik Larnay from Norwegian Institute of Bioeconomy Research, and this is the video tutorial for the VSE Extended Abstract. So, what we want you to do with this extended abstract and this video abstract that we want you to make is that we want to learn more about you. We want to learn who you are. Maybe you can tell us a little bit from your institute, where you are. Like, we work in the wood technology department at Norwegian Institute of Bioeconomy Research. We're located in Ås. You could tell a little bit about your wood species, the things you've been using, what kind of samples, maybe talk a little bit about your co-authors, and maybe also find them in the hallway and film a little bit about them as well. To help us with this tutorial, I want to present one of my co-authors. This is Andreas Troy. This is his office. Hi, Andreas.
Hi, how are you?
Doing your tutorial is thank your co-workers who has been helping you with nice diagrams and graphs. Monica, thank you for all the help with my article. What kind of instrument have you been using for your test? Explain a little bit about them, what your adjustment is, and are you welcoming other researchers to join you using this equipment? Then please explain that as well. The video should not be more than, let's say 2 to 5 minutes, and don't try to get some fancy equipment. Just use your mobile phone and you're good to go. See you there.